This particular video is about getting rid of pop-ups by the webpage Veadoles.online. Veadoles.online. A truly dangerous resource that attacks Chrome, Firefox, and other browsers. The pop-up tells you to click on the Allow button, supposedly to continue your browsing. It may display some other faulty messages, for instance, the need to click on Allow to verify your age, or to prove that you are a human, or for some other misleading reasons. The reality is that clicking on this Allow button immediately hijacks the browser and starts displaying a lot of intrusive ads popping up in your screen. Therefore, if the Allow button was clicked by mistake, you need to immediately undertake the measures to fix your browser. So go to the menu, click on Settings, now Site Settings and Notifications. You need to pay attention to the Allow area very carefully. So you may find some suspicious website here that may be showing these intrusive ads. Click on the related button and remove these sites from the list. After this has been done, I also recommend scanning your Mac additionally with a Combo Cleaner antivirus for Mac. The best place to get it is on the official resource, combocleaner.com. Once the software is downloaded and installed, wait until it updates the antivirus database and then click on Start Combo Scan button. So the program looks like this. It has got some free features: disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. The antivirus is the part of the premium license only. However, it will perform the free research of your Mac, and at the end of scan you will definitely see the complete report with the exact location of each detected threat. This is the end of scanning by Combo Cleaner antivirus. After the scanning is completed, you'll see the detailed report about the status of your Mac. You may go to the antivirus area and click on Review Results. The antivirus will give the total number of threats, and to review them, click here. Now, the program will show you the name of each specific threat, and what's very important, it will also show you its exact location. So what you can do is to click on this icon, this button that says Show in Finder. So it will show you its location in Finder, and you may remove each specific thread manually, one at a time. So this is the free and manual approach to deleting threads from your Mac computer. And once all these threads are deleted manually, the problems with your Mac should be fixed. Or you may consider deleting these threads automatically. However, this can be done only with the premium version of the program. Thanks for watching.